You've probably seen a lot of people online saying they make money by simply selling AI prompts. It is actually possible to make money online by simply selling AI prompts. Platforms like PromptBase basically allow you to sell AI prompts on their platform. But here is the real question. Is it really worth it, or this is just another overhyped side hustle? In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how PromptBase work, what it takes to get started, and how much you can realistically earn by simply selling AI prompts on this platform. Now, in case you don't know me, my name is Kingsley, and on this channel, I talk about different money-making opportunities. I talk about AI side hustle and also a bit of crypto. So if you love videos just like this, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime we drop another awesome video just like this. So to get started with PromptBase, all you need to do is to go over to their official website, which is promptbase.com. I'm also going to leave the official link in the video description down below, just in case you want to sign up. You can make use of the link. Over here on the homepage, you can see this is a prompt marketplace. Just like I said earlier, you basically come over here and sell AI prompts for people that want to save their times or get better results with prompts. So you can see here, you can access over 260,000 high quality AI prompts of Midjourney, ChatGPT, VO3, Gemini, and more, right? So all you need to do to create an account on the platform is to come over here where you see login. So tap on it. This interface is going to open up. So over here, you can continue with your Google, which means you can automatically sign up on the platform with your Google account, or you can just come down here and enter your email address and click on continue. But if you already have an account, you can just click on I already have an account and log into your account. Now, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead, click over here and then log in with my details. So the registration process is actually very simple and seamless. Now, this platform is actually available in so many countries, so you can just go ahead and check if it is available in your country or not. So once you sign up and log into your account, this is basically where it's going to take you. Now, if you go ahead and scroll down here, you see different prompts created by people on the platform. Now, if you want to start selling your own prompts on the platform, you need to go ahead and create your prompts. And when people want to buy, they will come over here and basically search the prompts they want to buy. So that is the only way buyers find you. And the second way buyer find you is you promoting your links outside of the platform. We're going to talk about that later in this video. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys the process of selling your prompts on the platform. So all you need to do is to come over here, click on sell. Once you click on sell, it's going to basically take you here. So this is the first page where you can go ahead and start entering the details about your prompt. And over here, you can see, tell us some basic detail about the prompt you want to sell. Explore what is trending to get ideas. So just in case you don't really know exactly what you want to sell, they did a very good job by showing you guys where you can explore other trending prompts so you can get ideas from what is already working for people. Over here, you can see the generation type. And this is basically where they ask you what kind of content does your prompts create. So it could be video creation, it could be YouTube video scripts, it could be images. If your prompts help people to create high quality images using different AI models, it could be prompts for AI videos and all of that. So all you need to do is to come over here where it says select generation type, tap on it, and you can see images, videos, or text. So let's say you want to generate a prompt that actually help people to create high quality images in ChatGPT or Nano Banana. Just go ahead and select images, and down here they are going to ask you to select the model. So here you can see select the AI model your prompt uses. So over here, just go ahead and click on select model, and you see this drop down here. If your prompts help people to create high quality images in ChatGPT, then you select ChatGPT image. If it is Flux, you select Flux. If it is Gemini, you can select Gemini image, Grok, and you can see many other models right here. All right, you can go ahead and select anyone that applies to you. So the next thing you need to do here is to suggest a title for your prompt. So here you can see suggest a title for this prompt. So you can just go ahead and write the title here, and you can see it only take 40 characters. So you need to make sure the title is very sharp and attention grabbing, not too long. Now down here, this is where you can write the description. So you can see here, describe what your prompt does to a potential buyer. A more detailed description will increase your sales. So all you need to do is to go ahead and write the description of your prompt. If your prompt is about helping people write better YouTube script, then you just go ahead and write it down here in a professional way And you can see right here the maximum characters is 500 characters, so you need to make sure you type within these 500 characters. So right here, this is where you can set up the price. You can see here, what do you think the price of your prompt should be? So here, all you need to do is to just come over here, type over here, and you can select from any of these right here. So you can actually provide it for free, just in case you just want people to try your prompt out and give you feedback. You can provide it here for free, but you can see here, these are the ranges of how much you can charge depending on how much you want to charge. So after you select the price you want to charge, you can just come over here, click on next. It's going to take you to the next page where you can basically add your prompt and other necessary things you need to do for your prompt to be reviewed and accepted. Now once you submit your prompt on the platform, they are going to basically check your prompts whether it follows their community guideline or whether the prompt is good enough for people to buy. So basically they manually review each and every prompt on the platform to make sure that people don't just come over here and drop garbage and just hoping to get sales. So they actually want to maintain a good standard for selling prompts on the platform. Now it's basically take about 15 minutes to 36 hours for your prompts to be approved. So yes, they actually want to manually go through your prompt and see if it is worth selling on their platform, which is actually a good way to maintain quality on their platform. So let's talk about the payment options. So over here under the frequently asked questions, here you can see PromptBase uses Stripe to send out payments to you. So their payment method here is not PayPal, it's not crypto, it's not gift card. They pay you through Stripe. So if Stripe is not available in your country, that means you probably have issues collecting your payment from the platform. Right here it also said read our full guide on payouts. Here you can just go through it and read the payout guide. Now there are some countries that this platform is not available in their region. So you can see here country affected is Brazil, China, Georgia, Russia, and Ukraine. And the reason why it is not available in their region is because some of them do not have Stripe in their countries. So you can see right here on the platform they say for certain countries Stripe is not yet supported. We are working hard to find solution. So that is the reason why some of these countries are not accepted on the platform. Now this platform also have an affiliate program, so let me show you guys how it works. Now all you need to do is to go under the frequently asked question, and this is where you'll be able to locate this. Down here you can see do you offer an affiliate program. So let me just go ahead and click on it, and you can see here they say yes, we offer an affiliate program. You can find more information here. So if I go ahead and click on it right here, they say if you're interested in 0 fees when selling your AI prompts, please check out our referral program. So just go ahead and click on it, and over here you can see you can sell with 0 fees when you bring the buyer. Now normally on PromptBase they take 20% fee from each sales of your prompt, but if you refer a buyer yourself, we think you should keep it all. This update gives sellers a powerful way to earn more and grow their AI business faster. So if you sell on the platform directly, they take 20% of the sale. But if you refer someone to PromptBase through your link and they buy your products, you get to keep everything without them taking any percentage out of the sale amount. So all you need to do is to scroll down here and copy your link right here, and then go ahead and write your desired code here right at the end. Then this is the link you're going to share it with your potential clients or buyers to come over here on the platform to buy your prompts. If you do that, you will not be charged anytime you make a sale. So that is basically how their affiliate program actually work. But if you make a sale on the platform directly without them coming through your link, then you pay the 20% on the sale. Now your earnings potential on the platform actually depends on the quality of your prompt and the demand for that prompt. So if you have a prompt that is not in high demand, then you probably may not get a lot of sales compared to other people or compared to other prompts. You need to make a research on the prompt you want to create and see if there is a market for it before you create it. With multiple high quality prompts, you can realistically build a steady income doing this. Now, selling AI prompts can be a legitimate side hustle, but it is not a get rich quick scheme. Now, compared to other side hustles, it actually has low risks and easy to start. Thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another awesome video just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.